Hello friends, welcome to our new video. If you guys are new to our channel or if you did not subscribe our channel yet, then please go and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well so that you can get the notifications of our new videos. Okay, so let's see the today's question. Today's question is 200 IQ. Okay, so here we have given a problem statement. The problem statement is Einstein challenges a Newton in the battle of IQ. Okay, and he wants Newton to guess a number n digit long. He gives x hints to Newton. Okay, and each hints consists of two numbers, that is pi and qi. Okay, from for all I from 1 to x, it means that position pi from left, the digit is qi. Okay, and Newton wants to tell minimum number of passes all the hints. If no number satisfies, we have to print minus 1. Okay, here we have given one note, that is note the number 0 is a one digit number. Okay, and also any other number cannot have leading zeros. Okay, and in input we have given, in first line we have given two integers, that is n and x. Okay, and the next line contains two integers each, that is pi and qi. Okay, and we have to print, okay, number according to this. Okay, so here we have given some sample inputs and output for this. Okay, here is the second sample input and output, and this is third one. Okay, so let's try to write the code for this problem. Okay, so first we have to take the input from the user. Okay, so for that, first what I can do, I'll write the scanner class. Scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. Then we have to take one number, so we'll write integer n equals to sc dot next int. Okay, now uh, we'll declare one array. Okay, so we'll write integer array. Let's suppose we'll give the name, that is arr equals to new int. Okay, and we'll give the value, that is n. Okay, okay, now after that I will write the one method, array method, that is arrays dot fill. Okay, to fill this array. Okay, so uh, I'll write arrays dot fill and pass the array name. Okay, we have to pass this array minus 1. Okay, we have to fill this array with minus 1. Okay, after that what I can do, I'll write one for loop. Okay, so here I'll write one for loop. Inside this I will write integer. Okay, here in this for loop I have to take one number. Okay, so let's suppose I'll give the name for you can give any name. So I'll give the name is m. Okay, so integer m equals to, I'll write sc dot नेक्स्ट इंट। ओके, यहाँ पे मैंने डायरेक्टली यूजर से इनपुट ले लिया फॉर लूप में एक नंबर। ओके, और नेक्स्ट हम क्या करेंगे, चेक करेंगे कि ये नंबर 0 से ग्रेटर है क्या। सो यहाँ पे कंडीशन लिखेंगे m इज ग्रेटर देन 0। ओके, एंड माइनस माइनस m कर देंगे इसको। ओके ओके, सो ये फॉर लूप लिखा। अभी इस फॉर लूप के अंदर हम क्या करेंगे, और दो नंबर यूजर से इनपुट लेंगे। ओके, सो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे इंटीजर। सो okay, so here in this problem we have given that we have to take the two numbers, that is pi and qi. Okay, so I'll write pi equals to sc dot next int. Okay, and next number, that is qi. So I'll write integer qi equals to sc dot next int. Okay, okay, here we have made mistake, we have written scc. Okay, so we will remove one c. Okay, so here we have taken the second number as an input, that is here mentioned in here in input, that is x, but here I have given the name for this number as m. Okay, you can give any name. For this you can give the x as well. I'll मैंने यहाँ पे यूजर से इनपुट ले लिया, डायरेक्ट फॉर लूप में यूजर से इनपुट ले लिया नंबर। ओके ओके, सो यहाँ पे दो नंबर हमने यूजर से इनपुट ले लिया। अभी नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे, एक कंडीशन लिखेंगे हम। सो आई राइट इफ, एंड इनसाइड दिस आई राइट इफ n is greater than 1 एंड इसको लिखेंगे n is greater than 1 and the two numbers which we have taken, that is pi and qi, that is pi plus qi is equals to 0. ओके, और एक कंडीशन लिखेंगे यहाँ पे, array of pi, okay, array of pi is greater than 0 and array of array of pi is not equals to qi. Okay, if this condition is true, then simply we have to print system dot out dot println, और यहाँ पे हम प्रिंट कर देंगे -1। ओके, और रिटर्न कर देंगे उस। ओके ओके, ये हो गया। अभी इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे array of pi equals to qi. Okay, okay, now after that I'll write one more for loop. Okay, inside this I'll write integer I equals to 0, then I is less than n and I plus plus. Okay, after that inside this for loop what I can do, um, okay, so inside this for loop what I can do, I'll write the one condition, that is if array of I is less than 0, then simply what I can do, array of I is equals to I minus 1 and n is greater than 1. Okay, I'm writing a conditional statement, that is I is less than 1 and n is greater than 1. If this is true, then will return 1, else will return 0 directly. Okay, okay, I have written one conditional statement here. Okay, after that what I can do, I'll write system dot out dot println, and inside this I'll write arrays dot to string. Okay, और array को यहाँ पे प्रिंट कर देंगे. Okay, now after that I'll write inside this, I'll write dot replace all, and inside this I will write slash double slash then d, और इसको रिप्लेस कर देंगे एक एम्प्टी डबल कोट्स के साथ. ओके, ओके, we have written the print statement here. Okay, now we have written the code. Okay, now Let's try to run this code. So I'll copy this input and let's paste it in input. Okay. Okay, now let's click on run and let's see the output, what it is showing. Okay, the let's see the output. 1472. Okay, I think we have made some mistake. Uh, okay, where we made the mistake. Let's see. If array of I is less than 0, okay, then what I can do, array of I equals to I minus 1 and n is greater than 1. Okay, if this is, then we have to print 1 0. Okay. Okay, let's see what mistake we have done. Okay, so here we have taken one array, then we have used arrays dot fill, then array, okay, comma minus 1, correct. Then we have written one for loop, integer m equals to sc dot next int. After that, m is greater than 0, then minus minus m, correct. Then integer pi equals to sc dot next int. Okay, okay, okay. Here this pi should be I think -1. Okay, okay, this pi, this should be -1. Okay, which is correct. Net qi equals to sc dot next int, it is correct. Then if n is greater than 1 and pi plus qi, okay, equals to 0, correct, or array of pi, okay, array of pi is greater than 0, correct, and array of pi is not equals to qi. Okay, if this is true, then we have to print -1. Okay, and simply we have written this, an array of pi equals to qi. Okay, this is also correct. Okay, now let's try to run this code. Okay, so we'll click on run. Now let's see the output for this program, whether it is correct or not. 4721. Okay, 47, the required output should be 4720. Okay, Now what mistake of here, what I can do, I'll simply remove this curly braces. Okay, and what I can do, I'll make it plus plus I. Okay, uh, equals to 0, I is less than n, ref I. Okay, now let's try. Let's see the output now. It should be correct now. Okay, now you can see that output is correct. That is 4720. Okay, now let's try the second test case. Okay, that is 32159. Okay, so I'll copy this and let's paste it here. Okay, now let's click on run. Okay, so the output should be -1 for this test case. Okay, let's see whether it is correct or not. Okay, you can see that output is -1, which is correct. Now let's try this third test case. For this also output should be -1. Okay, so we'll give the input. Okay, and let's click on run. Okay, okay, you can see that for this as well output is -1, which is correct. Okay, now let's try to submit this code and let's see all the test cases will pass or not. Okay, so we'll click on submit. Okay, running. Okay, okay, see that, see, you can see that our all the test cases are passed. Okay, okay, here you can see that all the test cases are passed. All the 15 test cases passed. Okay, that's it in this video. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.